Hi guys, this is a girls and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. In today's video I'm going to do Mohawk ne. Yes, I'm going to do Mohawk. I'm going to use a Afro B, only 2 pieces. You are going to see, guys, just stay tuned. As you can see, I just finished sectioning my hair. I did it off cameras to avoid my video to be long ne. So yeah, just stay tuned guys and see how I did this hairstyle, how I achieved this hairstyle. So this is the styling gel that I used. I used this Isoplus styling gel, but you can use any styling gel of your choice, the one that you have in your house. So I just want to say to all those who are new, guys, I welcome you to the family. Feel free. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. I will really appreciate ne. And then to all those my day one, oh god, my old subscribers, my retaining subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Without you guys I'm nothing. Without you I don't know what to say, but anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for showing your girls some love, for showing me your support. It means a lot to me. So yeah, let's get to the video, guys. Let me not talk too much, and then we see what I did to achieve this mohawk. To make my baby hair to be smooth, I ended up using this brush. If you have it, it's a good go. You can use it. It's good. As you can see, my baby hair is smooth, very nice. My hair dryer is on medium heat, guys. Don't burn your hair, don't burn yourself. Make sure it's on medium ne? Not too hot and not cold, so that styling gel will dry so fast and quick. There are two wig caps inside, but I only used one. The biggest mistake that I did, guys, I forgot to put that white paper under. Just imagine. I just realized it when I was done sewing in my wig cap. I was like, girl, what did you do? But anyway, I just continued doing what I was doing. But if you're doing this hairstyle, guys, please don't forget to put that white paper or some the quality or white tissue, yeah, so that it glue that you are going to use, it won't go straight to your hair, ne? So please don't make the same mistake that I did. I made a big mistake, but anyway, I did what I was supposed to do. Yeah, move on. Forward we go. So yeah, this is the Afro bead that I was talking about. I only used 2 pieces of it, a black and a color 1x33. So I just mixed these 2 colors. As you can see, that I was what I was telling you. You see, guys, if I was having that white paper under, that glue won't go straight to my hair. But anyway, it's not that bad because it's only small amount of glue. But make sure, if you're doing it, make sure you put that white paper or white tissue under. Don't make the same mistake that I did, ne? Yeah, so let's get to the video. Imagine, guys, I couldn't see what I was doing here. My hands, they were my eyes, because I couldn't see what I was doing. But anyway, I was just feeling, Uguti man, you have to put this layer, and then this layer must follow, this layer must follow. Guys, it's not easy. But anyway, it is what it is, ne? So the painful thing again, guys, my tongue from Norway, it was off. I couldn't even tongue my hair. As you can see, guys, I was very angry. I was very disappointed, because for me to achieve the hairstyle that I wanted, I couldn't do what I wanted to do in the first place. So I have to find option B. Just imagine, I was very frustrated. I was very angry. Then I have to think, okay, manje, what can I do? Which hairstyle will I do? So what I did is, it was very tricky. I have to hide this hair, because remember, I left this hair at the front, but because of my tongue of not working, I have to hide this hair so that I will come up with something. Then I used these pins to hide my hair, so that I'll have a nice look, a nice hairstyle. That's my option B. That's why they say in life you must have option A. In case option A will disappoint, you must have option B. So that's what I did here. That's my option B. I took my hair, I inserted it inside, put my pins. It was a struggle, but finally, the outcome, it was very nice. It was very nice, guys. The thing is, I was very angry. That's why I didn't even show it on the camera. But as you can see, I took my hair, then I just put it inside, put my pins. That's what I did to achieve this hairstyle. I hope guys will understand, ne? So let's get to the video and see my final look. I hope you are still together, guys. Definitely guys, I have to redo this hairstyle because this tongue of mine disappointed me. I ended up doing option B, on which I was not supposed to do option B. So I'll do it again and do exactly what I wanted to do in the first place, and then do those curls and style my hairstyle the way I want. That's my final look, guys. What do you think about this hairstyle, guys? Just let me know in the comment section, eh? If you are watching me for the very first time, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Please don't forget to press the subscription button. You know what, guys, the more you watch my videos, you motivate me to do more videos for you. You motivate me to stay consistent and continue posting videos for you. So please guys, don't forget. For those who have been watching me since day one, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate for showing your girls some love. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to like my video and share my video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.